Okay, guys, good evening. Today I want us to look into creating emails. We want to create email accounts so that we can be able to communicate professionally using a secured email. So maybe without any waste of time, I am just going to go into one of our mail service providers, which is Google. And then in there we are just going to demonstrate how to create. We are going to create a new email account, and then it will have this email address, and then we are going to try to send some stuff. This tutorial is for those who do not know how to create emails, or who do not have even their email addresses. But then if you know how to create emails using a mobile phone, or even maybe using your computer, your desktop computers, then I think you are fine. You can just jump in this tutorial. But then if you want to recap, how do we create emails, more especially we using Google, you can use the same strategy maybe in your Yahoo, or maybe in other mail service providers. But then for this one, we're just going to be using Google. So I'm just going to go to the Google email server, which is mail.google.com, like this, right? And then when I reach the Google email server, I'm just going to redirect it into this page. And then here we want to create an account, right? So to create an account in here, you're just going to click on this button which says created an account. And then here we are going to choose, for myself, or for my child, or for my business. I'm just going to choose myself, and then it will ask my first name. My first name is Nobu Tula. How do we write Nobu Tula? And maybe Vilane. And then is Nox. Okay, yes, Nox. Like this. And then maybe password. Unfortunately, this name is taken. Let me just add 12 and then see. Oh, this one is also taken, maybe. Okay, let me just take this one, and then I'm gonna choose a password which is gonna be like password is like I think it is right. Okay, the password, it seems to be okay. Then now I'm just going to click next. When I click next, I'm gonna be redirected to this home, or this screen, right? And then in this screen, I'm gonna be requested for my phone number. The problem is that now Google has this tendency of taking my phone numbers, or my email addresses. You can put in your phone number in here, like maybe 762945116. But then what I don't like is that it is gonna send me this verification text. That is why I don't like doing this one. But then it is very good for the safety of your account. We call it a double authentication. It is very, very good for safety of your account. Make sure that when you create your accounts, you include your phone number there, so that Google can be able to send you text messages when you are trying to log in. It tells you what somebody is trying to log in, so that maybe if they are hacking you, you just get to know. Maybe my birthday is gonna be like 15. Which month? Maybe let me say 07. And then didn't take the month. Who is 07? This one, and then maybe 2004, right? So now maybe I'm cannot be email. Let me say maybe just something like lesbian. Okay, so rather not say, and then I'm just going to go to the next screen, right? And here I'm just going to agree to the terms and conditions of Google, and then after agreeing with these terms and conditions, I will be redirected to the security screen, which okay, I think Google decided to just redirect me to the home page of the email. And then when you reach this screen, just know that you have just created your email address. Your email address will be here. You can verify it, and you have in your name here, which is nogotulavilane6@gmail.com. Or you understand, this is your manage your Google account, but then this is what we are interested in, Nogotulavilane and stuff, right? And then I think you are done with this, and then at this stage you'll be done. So now what you want to do, if somebody sends you an email, you are gonna see it here, just like this one. Google just sent us an email in here. Just going to click on it and see, and then Google is welcoming me that welcome to Google, your new account has been created and stuff. So you are going to do this for security. You are going to confirm and do this. This is more from Google for Android. All of this. This is the body of your email that could be sent by maybe someone else, or maybe that could be sent by me to you. Okay, maybe if you want to create an email, then you are going to go to compose and then type in my email address. My email address is my.google @google.com. That's my email address. And then subject is maybe sending work, right? It wants me to edit to here. I'm sending work, and then here we're just going to say hi. I have just shared the work, and then this is the body of the email that you are trying to send. Maybe you are applying, maybe you are doing whatever. This is the body of the email, and then this is the subject. The subject is very important to tell, or maybe to notify the receiver that your email maybe is about what, or your email is about this or that. For example, if you are applying, your subject is gonna be like application letter, right? Maybe if you are sending some documents, your subject is gonna be like the documents. The subject is like, and then here you type in the email address of the receiver. And then when you want to, this one wants me to schedule. When you want to attach some things or some documents, maybe you want to attach your CV into your email, you just do it like in WhatsApp. You click this button, it is going to redirect to the hard drive of this computer, and then you're just going to choose one of the documents in here, which is maybe which is this one, right? And then you are going to see it in here, and then you're just going to, when you click send, it is going to go to this email address, which is my email address. I think we're fine. And this is not my personal email address. In fact, when you have to send anything to me, you don't send it to this email address. Never ever send it to this email address. I think it's live, maybe it's the Google mail server. But then this is how we do it, right? I think we are done. Unless if maybe you will have questions, you are gonna send them to me. Otherwise, good night.